it's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong.
So I have a facial appointment. I'm excited because my cycle is also on and I'm really just feeling dirty. I don't know. It's real bad, real bad. So I have a lot of things planned to do today. I want to get my nails redone. Even though I did these, I want a fresh set. I will also want my toes done and also my brows because I haven't had my brows done in like months. Okay, like months. But my appointment is at 10:30. It's 9:30 right now. I'm gonna go. I need to go grab a jacket and then we're gonna be good to go.
I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong.
Get yourself lined up.
Okay. Oh, snuggled.
So what else is new?
Oh my gosh. Just a lot of traveling.
Yeah?
Like a lot of traveling. I did a solo trip to Dubai.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was so
You know what? Sometimes solo is the way to go.
That was my first one and I loved it.
Right?
I was like, I could do whatever. I could sit here and just not do
There's
anything.
no thinking about anybody else.
Right.
And yes, it has its pros, that's for sure. No, there's a few others. Not too many, but a few. You're doing great controlling oil in the skin. These two, I'll put some stuff on because these aren't extractable.
Right. Put yours in the freezer. It's so cold.
Yeah.
Y'all, my facial is done. My skin is looking really good. She put a lot of sunscreen on me. Okay, we gotta protect the skin. Well, it looks really good. My camera battery is dying. I don't know why, because I charged it before I left the house. Probably should get another battery. So I'm probably gonna try to find somewhere I can charge this and also probably eat something. And then we're gonna try to get these nails done. so bushy. Y'all. Okay, let's see. Like, I looked at them and I was like, ooh, I need it sharper on the edges. This is what we looking like. Look, see that? Look at that. Come on, glare, get away. Let the people see. Ooh. Girl, I'll show you when I get home. I'll show you when I get home. It's being jealous. Look at that light. It's so jealous. I'm back home, you guys, and I'm about to do my hair. But these are my nails. Just giving y'all a little close up. I'm gonna show y'all my other side. It's too cute, ain't it? I think it's cute. And let me show you the toes. I decided to go with a French. I like it so much. I had to order a few things from Ulta just simply because I wanted to try a new flat iron. And I also wanted to use the Dream Coat, the one that helps with like frizz, the Color Wow Dream Coat. I want to go ahead and get that. So I did order it from Ulta and I have to go pick that up. So I'm gonna go pick that up and I'm gonna do my hair. But I'm excited to try. So the flat iron that I got is the Babyliss, I think it's the Babyliss Pro, however you say it. But it's the one that has the metal all around the barrel. I'll show you, of course you're gonna see it in a second, but I'm excited to use it because it'll be like really nice to curl with that one. At least that's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair prepped, washed. I just wanna go ahead and get this process started. This is my little comb. My hair is itching. So I had to grab the pick, get up in there. It feels too good too. So I have all my products here that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna shampoo my hair with the Redken. This is the only Redken Clean Maniac I've ever owned. And it's still right here. Y'all know how long I've been talking about this. So long, okay? And I still got half a bottle. Never buy any type of shampoo. That's the only shampoo I really need. Except I do need to make sure that I'm putting a purple shampoo on my hair because clearly I have blonde hair, so have to get that little brassiness out just a little bit. I am gonna deep condition just because I want to do like a little repair mask. So I'm gonna go in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go in with this and I'm gonna sit under the dryer and everything. I haven't really sat under the dryer with my deep conditioners in like months. So I feel like it's time to do that. So I'm gonna do that. And then once I rinse that out, I'm gonna go in with the K18. This is a biomedic hair science type of leave-in situation. Anyway, it's supposed to make sure that your hair is good to go, the damage in the hair. So I went ahead and picked up one of these, and then I'm gonna section it off into 4 sections and go ahead and band it up. I'm gonna come out here after I've like, kind of let it air dry and towel dry just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with the Color Wow. This is the Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. This is supposed to be like an anti-frizzing spray, like an anti-frizz spray. I heard people talking about it on TikTok. I've seen it, like I've been seeing it for like months now, but I finally picked it up. I know, so late. You guys know I've tried the curly version of this Color Wow, but this one is the straight hair version, and they say it's supposed to make your hair waterproof. I'm not testing the waterproof theory, but we're gonna see how, I don't know how it works. And after I use the Color Wow, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, okay? And then before I straighten it, I'm going to apply one more heat protectant because the Color Wow is also a heat protectant, but I'm gonna apply the Flawless by Gabrielle Union. And this one says it adds shine and protects up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Says it right there. Okay, so I'm gonna give this another go. I used to use this back in the day. When she first came out with it, I was like obsessed. So I'm gonna use it again. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So I need to get started. I'll take this stuff out, okay? All right, y'all, so I have blow dried my hair. This is the best blowout I've ever done, like ever. I got hair in my mouth. But look at this blowout, y'all. It looks so good. And I use the Color Wow Dream Coat, the Super Natural Spray. I use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, finish this up, so I can go to bed. I've straightened my hair. I feel like this is the straightest I've gotten it. I haven't curled it yet or did anything. I just went ahead and gave myself a cut. So as you can see now, it's pretty even. I took a little chunk out. I see right here. I don't know if that like broke off or if I did something. Either way, it's okay. We just moved accordingly. Y'all, I be cutting random pieces. Like when I'm cutting my curly hair, I cut random pieces. So I know it's all jagged. So that's really what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair with this and we're gonna be done. Pin curls are in, I've curled it. I'm about to go to bed and I'll show you the result in the morning. You see I'm in my robe, right? So FedEx just ringing the doorbell, right? I finally get down here and she was taking the package back because I guess I need to be 21 and up. So I get to the door and the lady is like, you didn't hear me ringing the doorbell? Ma'am, does my attire not say I was possibly in the shower? Anyway, I haven't even opened it yet, so let's see what we got. This is it. Wait, I gotta turn it around. This is it. This cooler alone is a whole like vibe. I don't know where they get this cooler from, but it's so nice. How freaking cute, Ashley. Thanks, Ash. Okay, so let me take the bow off. I hate unwrapping bows. It's so cute. Although I hate unwrapping bows, but like I like it at the same time. Is this a sweater? What is this, a sweater? Let's see. Let's see. Look at the sweater, y'all. It says Smirnoff Cheers. Okay. Now what's in the cooler? This is a really nice cooler though. Oh. Let me show you. Ugh. It smells like something spilled. Am I tripping? Anyway. This is a chill pod. Up to 10 days cold. Okay. So first we have this bottle opener thing. This is gonna come in handy, friend. I love like cutting limes and stuff up, but my cutting boards are so big. This is perfect. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. Ooh, this feels like Christmas for real. Look at me. Oh, the liquor. The liquor. This is all wet. But, yo, they got bottles on bottles. Look at here, what we got. I'm gonna have to unpackage this stuff, y'all. I need my hands. Ooh, I gotta send Fren a voice memo. Hi, Ashley. Girl, I just got this Smirnoff package. Thank you. I'm gonna be making all kinds of like, I don't know, some type of mixed drinks with peppermint and all that good stuff, but I like it, thank you. Anyway, okay. So then they have some of these Smirnoff Ice. This is the natural lemon lime flavor. Bet it up. You know what? I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna go live and open this because I feel like you guys would want that. I am all done with all of my maintenance, you guys. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. I did a nice trim. Well, actually, I'm not gonna say it's a nice trim. I need to get my layers recut because when I trim, I really only trim the ends, like the bottom part of my hair, but I don't go in and do layers, and so I need to do that, but I will say it looks really good. I don't know what this curl doing, but we're gonna wrap her better tonight and get it together. But I am in love. I feel like this press is one of the best press I've done. Like, look at how shiny. Look at, I love it. I love it so much. So yeah, nails done, brows done, everything done. It was nice to get out the house, y'all, and be like in Atlanta. Like I do get out the house, but I'm rarely out in Atlanta. So it was nice to just kind of go run some errands and get some pampering done. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.